Hello, I'm Claire and I'm at my garden. It's Saturday morning or early afternoon actually, and there's a lot of people at the garden, so I don't want a video in front of them and I'm hiding, but there's not many places to hide in my place. I'm on full view to everybody, so I will be doing some videoing today, and I will do a voiceover later, I guess. Cheers! So just to get started, I thought I'd show you my cherry tree. Quickly look away if you're squeamish with bugs. So some of the leaves look like this, and on the other side, this is why. These are aphids, and you can see a little ant there. The ant is like what they call farming, and they like getting the sap that the aphids pull from the leaves. And this is what happens after a long period of time. I actually generally wait, and hopefully the ladybugs come and sort it all out. Now I just started raining, and here I am. Actually, this is part of my neighbour's property. This path separates us, but my raspberries have gone underneath the path, and I was just digging them out. And then it really started raining, and I wasn't sure what to do with myself. So I decided to let my seedlings get some rainwater, because seedlings love rainwater. Plants love rainwater. We're lucky we have beautiful spring water, but plants still like rainwater. And after about 20 minutes, which is a good time for the watering, it stopped raining, so I got rid of my compost. And then what do you know? I decided to put the plants all back again. Time to go home. Yep, I'm sorry it was probably just a boring day for you as it was for me. Thanks for watching.